I've had a lot of requests about which proxy website is the best. We got what is known as Proxy4U, and then we have what is known as ASOCKs. So I'm going to be comparing them, but I want you guys to understand one of them is way beyond the other. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As I mentioned, we have two very important proxy websites we're going to be diving down into, and I want you guys to understand, I mean, one of them completely blows the other out of the water. So I'd like to introduce you to what is known as Proxy4U, right? Great website, everything looks awesome. Not only that, they do have this start now button we're talking about for a free trial, which is good. And we even have another one right here known as ASOCKs, right? Great website, looks awesome. But you guys can see right here, they got sale proxies, they got buy proxies, not really seeing anywhere to where you can actually start something for free, right? There might be a place where you can, but hey, I mean, listen, ladies and gents, you need to see it right there when you click on the website, okay? Take a look here, Proxy4U. You guys can see right here, if you kind of scroll down, they do have a lot of press releases, which is good. So they do talk about, you know, digital just got smarter, which is great. They talk about all the important things. Scrolling down, you guys will see where they kind of just dive down into it. We're talking about a plan for just you. So we got residential proxies. We got data center proxies, and then we even have mobile proxies, okay, which is actually pretty good. All right, if we take a look here, you guys can see whenever it comes to what is known as ASOCKs, they do talk about why companies choose them, right? So they do talk about like attitude, custom solutions, constantly growing proxy pool. Okay, that's cool. I like that. But how many you got? We got high success rate of connections. I mean, that's good. Okay, I would hope so. 24/7 support, I would hope so. Once again, we got clear IPs. Okay, scrolling down, you guys can see right here, choose your tariff. I don't really like that, but you guys will see right here, they do provide amounts, and I'm going to be honest with you, in my overall opinion, this is confusing. It is definitely confusing just looking at it, right? Unlimited proxy, and then we even have right here known as pay by traffic, okay? So I gotta be honest, you guys. I mean, these are very expensive. This is crazy expensive in my overall opinion, all right? So like I stated, I don't really like this choose your tariff because it looks like they got tariff on their pricing, right? That's just kind of my opinion. But anyways, if we take a look here, you guys can see where they talk about where everything is starting, right? Especially whenever it comes to pricing. We'll dive down into that here in just a few moments. But you guys will see that they do offer, we got, this is Proxy4U. We got residential proxy plans. We got data center proxy plans. And then we even have mobile proxy plans, okay? So you guys can see right here, technically all of these are made for, you know, any real world application. This one's designed for long-term use, stress-free payment terms, right? Pay-as-you-go flexibility. I like that, okay? This one, I mean, they're all the same, right? Then we have 195 plus locations and free country targeting, which is great, okay? This one, Proxy4U, definitely has really, really great reviews. Now, if we take a look up here, we got services. We can kick it off with residential, right? And you guys can see these pricing. Look at the pricing here. On that, look at everything that's offered. Traffic, right? No expiration dates. Target any country. HTTP, easy rotation, seamless sticking, and IP whitelist. Okay, so 2.5, we got 2, and then we have 1.5. We're talking about dollars, right? That's per. We got gigabytes, right? So right here, okay, which is awesome. I like this, right? So 1 gigabyte, 50 gigabytes, right? 1 terabyte, okay. So I want you guys to understand that is great, okay? Then if we actually take a look here, you guys can see there's no monthly fees and no limitations, okay? So you guys will see over here to this one, pay as you go, mobile, 6 gigabytes, right? Residence right there at about 5.5, corporate at 0.6, okay? Mobile right here, we got 5.1, 4.68, right? 0.51. If you're struggling to grow your social media, then here is one of the top of the line platforms out there that I am currently using. And I know that literally pretty much everyone else has used them as well, especially YouTubers. So the sponsor today is SMMGO. If you go to SMMGO.io, you're going to see whatever type of social media business that you have turn into a massive behemoth. You get real services with real speed and automated, transparent customer service. So listen, if you are looking to boost your social media presence, but let's say you don't have the time, or let's say you just don't know how to do it, then go ahead and check out the link down below in the description and check out what is known as SMMGO.io. Let's go ahead and get right back to the video. Right, then over there we got kind of continue, right? So you guys can see it just goes from like pay as you go. Then we got the 150 a month, we got the 500 a month, and then we even have over 1,000 a month. Okay, so once again, you guys, these ones are kind of really expensive in my opinion, right? Because if we actually take a look, this is residential. I mean, this just kind of makes perfect sense to me. And if we move to the next one, you guys will see right here we have rotating. We got mobile proxies, right, at about 350. We got 3 and 2.5, right? So 1 gigabyte, 50 gigabyte, and 1 terabyte. Okay, that's actually pretty cool. Okay, so really good, you guys, really good. All right, so you guys can see everything that they have to offer. And then finally we have the other one over here, which is going to be you know, rotating data center proxies, right? So at 2, then 1.5, then $1. Okay, so once again, 1 gigabyte, 50 gigabyte, all the way up to 1 terabyte. Okay, everything that they have to offer. Okay, which is great. Okay, so yeah, you guys can take a look here, and you guys can even see everything that they have, right? Learn more about applications. So we got like ad verification, e-commerce, price comparison, load testing, marketing research, social media. We got prohibited content and finance, right? And then tech support. Once again, they're here for you 24/7. So pricing, yeah, it's just not the greatest, you guys, okay? Even if you click here, pricing, it just takes you here. Doesn't really provide you any more type of updates. Now, you guys can even see right there, this one's definitely really confusing. Unlimited proxy, right? So technically, whenever it comes to this one, you guys can see right here, I mean, we got unlimited traffic, right? We have no expiration date. We got target multiple locations, right? HTTPs. We got easy rotation, seamless sticking, and IP whitelist, okay? And you guys can see for here, I mean, it really just does not provide any type of details, right? So you can click here for buy, and if you click on that, you guys are going to see exactly where it's going to take you, right? So that's a pretty cool logo here, but it takes kind of a few minutes, and technically it's probably going to make us log in. It's not going to provide us any more information. Okay, so this one definitely very transparent. Proxy4U. I mean, you guys, this is one that I'm probably going to be going with, in my opinion. Once again, no hidden fees. Plus, you guys can see right here all the important details. All right, I like that. Okay, why do you need data center proxies? Right, so they provide you all this information on why you need to use this stuff. So my overall opinion, guys, Proxy4U, this is definitely dominant, especially whenever it comes to ASOCKs. ASOCKs, I mean, it's okay. Like, you can dive down into this. You guys can see all this information. We got like top locations. I mean, of course, you should have a lot of locations, right? Technically, whenever it comes to Proxy4U, they got over 4 million IPs, okay? So you can see some of these are really good. United States has like the most there. Like that's like 1 million, okay? So yeah, and if you actually take a look here, you guys can see top locations, right? So Russia, right? We got Brazil, right? So, I mean, these ones kind of take up the most right there just alone for this entire website. So anyways, Proxy4U. Remember, you guys, this one does state there is 195 locations, if I am correct. So if we actually take a look at 195 locations, while this one right here, it says 150 plus locations. All right, so Proxy4U, definitely one to go with, in my opinion. So check it out, you guys. Let me know what you think. I mean, clearly, Proxy4U is the way to go, in my opinion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you will, please let me know exactly what did you think. Not only that, I want to know if you guys agree. Is Proxy4U better than ASOCKs? I mean, check out the links down below in the description. Dive down into it. Most importantly, leave a comment because I would love to hear your opinion. Smash up that like button, smash up that subscribe button, and we are going to be seeing you in the next video.